better aiming. Yes, I know you can fight her without a gun. I just liked it. That's what I thought. Huh? That's weird. Okay. That's why I hate the camera. Bitch! Ow! Camera! Oh shit! She's got a gun! Only one way to fight someone with a gun. Okay. Who's there? Oh, that's an alarm clock. Yeah. If you want to know what that was, shoot. See? You see what time it is? Huh? It's 4:20 something. Oh yeah, we got a camera. Yeah, no one cares. Let's get out of here. Arg. Heather's gonna cut you up. Where's the elevator? Obviously it's not here. Swing and a miss. Okay, we're going on the first floor now. Whoopsie. Stupid me, I'm going in a circle. Scare me now, kid. Damn it! I'm fighting wrong. See this wall? What do you want to do? Nail polish remover. Obviously I have to examine it, or at least get closer. Yes. Well, there's a key on it, see? Right there. Nail polish remover. Actually, I think if you're a perfume, it attracts monsters to you, doesn't it? I mean, why would I want to find out? I'm not wearing it. Screw that. Time to go back up a floor. See, these don't work. B or 3. Again? No! Haha, missed. We're going down to the basement. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, the camera does not want to turn. I love that. Look, it's creepy. Yeah. You know what's in here? Wow, that sucks for the person who was there. Oh yeah. Use the camera. One 597. Oh yeah, I forgot to pick up the gun. Submachine gun. Well, I didn't exactly forget to pick it up since I'm right here. Damn it. It's just creepy. Up to the 3rd floor. It was 1597, alright? Run all the way down. Whoa, that was weird. Phone. I want to pick it up.
Hello?
Claudia.
No, I'm not.
Don't lie to me, Claudia.
Yeah.
You're always trying to run from your responsibilities. Have you come to apologize? Or maybe you still don't realize how foolish you've been. The salvation of all mankind. Ah, what a ridiculous dream.
Wait, just listen to me for a second.
I've heard enough from you already.
Who are you?
How did you turn out this way? Where did I go wrong?
Listen to me already. I'm not Claudia.
You're not Claudia.
My name is Heather.
Bum, bum.
Heather.
Who are you?
Leonard Wolf.
There are.
I'm sorry. I thought you were my daughter.
Yep, that's his. Yeah, you get it.
Claudia is your daughter?